This 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 261BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, external shower, LP detector, air conditioning, TV, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, water heater, slide-out, refrigerator, spare tire kit, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 261BH is 6,078 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.